If you're looking to use AI for creative brainstorming and hooks, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can supercharge your creative process and help you come up with unique, attention-grabbing ideas. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share an exclusive free trial to a powerful software that can make all of this a breeze. First things first, AI tools are incredibly versatile when it comes to brainstorming. Instead of spending hours waiting for inspiration to strike, AI can quickly generate a wide range of ideas based on your input. You can give the AI a simple prompt like "give me 10 blog post ideas for small business owners" and watch the magic happen. Now, one of the best ways to use AI for brainstorming is to refine your ideas based on what you want to accomplish. For example, if you're coming up with hooks for your content, you can input your target audience, desired tone, and the message you want to convey. From there, the AI will generate multiple variations of your hook. Some may be short and punchy, while others might be more emotional or informational. This way, you get a variety of options, and you can pick the one that resonates most with your audience. When it comes to creating hooks, AI can help you not only by generating ideas, but also by testing their effectiveness. By analyzing previous data or trends, it can help you understand what kind of language and phrasing works best. You can experiment with different formats, questions, bold statements, or even curiosity-driven hooks, and see what works best for your niche. Here's something you might not know. AI is also great for making connections between unrelated ideas. If you're stuck and feel like all your brainstorming is leading to dead ends, AI can suggest unique pairings or angles that might not have occurred to you otherwise. It's like having a creative partner who pushes you outside your comfort zone. For example, if you're writing an ad for a product but you're stuck on how to make it stand out, AI can help by suggesting an entirely new angle or way to present it that you wouldn't have thought of on your own. And here's where it gets even better. I've tried out all the most popular software for creative brainstorming and hooks, and the one I recommend stands out for its ease of use, speed, and flexibility. If you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. To wrap it up, the key takeaway here is that AI isn't just a tool for generating ideas. It's a way to enhance your creativity, test different approaches, and break free from mental blocks. When using AI for brainstorming and hooks, remember to experiment, refine your ideas, and let the AI show you new perspectives. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. First, use AI to generate a variety of ideas quickly and refine them based on your audience and tone. Then, use it to create hooks that grab attention and stand out. Finally, let AI help you make unexpected connections and push your creative boundaries. Before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.